Welcome to 2963 Albatross Drive in Navarre, Florida. This well-cared-for brick home sits on over a third of an acre in Sandpiper Cove. There is no HOA, and updates to the major systems have already been completed. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a tiled foyer, a convenient coat closet, and fresh interior paint throughout the home. The living room features cathedral ceilings, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and a decorative plant ledge above. Natural light flows in through the French doors that lead to the covered back patio. The kitchen opens to a spacious dining area, providing a seamless flow for daily routines or special occasions. There's plenty of counter space, cabinet storage, and room to move. Just off the kitchen, the breakfast nook is surrounded by large windows that overlook the backyard, giving you a peaceful spot to start your day with coffee or wind down in the evening. The bedrooms are situated along the same hallway, providing convenient access without compromising privacy. The primary suite is located at the end of the hall and features brand new carpet, as well as a tray ceiling that adds a sense of height and comfort. The ensuite bath includes tile floors, a double vanity, a tub shower combo, and a separate standalone shower. The spacious walk-in closet is located inside the bathroom, helping maximize usable space in the bedroom itself. Toward the front of the home, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom, perfect for kids, guests, a home office, or creative space. Out back, the fully privacy-fenced yard gives you room to relax, garden, or entertain. The covered patio provides shade year-round, and the gutters and newer roof help keep maintenance low. A separate laundry room leads to the 2-car garage, giving you extra space for storage, tools, or weekend projects. This home offers real peace of mind with a new roof and HVAC system in 2024, a water heater installed in 2023, and brand new carpet and paint in 2025. Whether you're looking for your first home or a smart investment, 2963 Albatross Drive delivers space, updates, and flexibility in a great location. Reach out to schedule your private tour today. I'm happy to help.